Hello, I'll be documenting my result. My hair is pretty dark, but I want to color it red, and so far the color highlights have been a good product and brand, so hopefully it will take up my hair. So you'll see tomorrow the results of black to red. Yeah. Now we're gonna mix 2.4 ounce from the 30 developer with the 1.2 ounce of the magenta red. So now I've put in my developer in there. Now I'm gonna put in the color highlights, and we're gonna mix. Alright guys, like before any dyeing process, it's good to have some lubrication on your face. I prefer to use coconut oil. So let's see. Let's start. Okay, so guys, my hair has been saturated with the dye. So hopefully my dark hair will pick up. And I most likely will get hot roots because I'm doing the dyeing process all at one time. So it's okay. Red fades really fast, so I just can't wait. Alright guys, I love my red hair. It really did pick up from dark to red. I love the result.